Hey guys, John here with Terminal Goblin Games, and today I'm going to talk about the improvements I made to our game that we made last weekend, A Stay in the After Castle. The things I wanted to improve upon were I wanted to give the player four-way attack. They can walk in four directions, they should be able to attack in four directions. I want a visual cue for the ghosts changing phases, because as of now they just change, and that's, it's not fun, it doesn't feel right, like, why is this thing hitting me harder all of a sudden? And lastly, we want to make ghosts ignore walls because they're ghosts and that's what they do. Alright, and with that out of the way, roll the intro. I don't have an intro. Alright, really there wasn't anything too tricky this week going on with it. The transparency effect, I tied it to the ghost timer and I just set its modulation .a to 50% and then 30% full opacity. As for the four-way attack, I manually set the hitbox where I wanted it to be. Probably a dumb way of doing that, but it works for our game and it's only slightly janky. And to set the following go through walls thing, that is just changing the collision layers that the ghosts operate on. And that wasn't too bad, although there is a little bit in the video, you might not be able to see it because it's so fast forward, is that I disabled the hitbox to just see what would happen. Of course, it wouldn't let me hit anymore because no hitbox to collide with. So I experimented with that for a little bit and realized, oh, I'm an idiot, I never turned it back on. And so yeah, there we have it. That's pretty much all the tech talk for this week. I really want to go through and comment. I'll probably do that off camera because commenting code is boring. Probably doubly boring to watch someone. But as always, I will throw all that up on the GitHub. And now let's take a look at our game. Alright, so just so you know, all timer values have been changed for this, and just to show it off. Now, there's a weird glitch to where the hitboxes stay out. I'll be looking at that, and there are some differences in when they phase change because they all have their individual timers, which was dumb. I'll be fixing that probably in the next devlog. But yeah, there we go. Get a little bit faster, a little bit stronger, and they die, and then I die. So yeah, so there we go. Alright, as always, source is in the description and you can get it on itch now. Have a good night, guys.